I'll give you an Australian kiss.
Oh,
It's like a French kiss, but down under.
Okay, if I'm not mistaken, it's rolling.
I don't know.
Yeah. Dudes and dudettes, here we are again.
Male
Finally,
orgasms.
male
Hello.
Ah,
So what we got a new gasket and a new float needle and everything to put into the carburetor. So now, hopefully now it'll float your boat.
blah, blah.
Dun, dun.
So hopefully now the gas will stop when it's supposed to, and it'll get the right amount that it's needed to keep running on a normal basis. Guess we're gonna have Mr. B put it in there for us. I'll be filming it, and he'll just look stupid.
Yeah.
Amen.
Where's my beer? God damn it, where's my beer? I need this drink before we start.
And we got the Triumph under the thing, Bonneville T100
Blah,
2003.
blah, blah. It's not a bike, it's a stupid motorcycle. Get a Harley, get a real bike.
She's gonna sell it.
No, she's not.
Yeah.
It's unsellable because it's rusted everywhere. It looks like shit, rides like crazy. I think I have it.
Huh?
Yes, I do. Is there a ring?
Yeah, there's a...
You get to pump it up. Out with the old, in with the new.
Well, that's what I sold my ex.
Alright.
That can be good.
That's the old. What's the... I got this.
So what are we doing here?
Replacing the needles holder, I think it's called.
Needle holder.
Yeah, just without the.
Alright.
Right,
Gotta
shit.
feel what you're doing.
Yeah.
Can't look for facial expressions now.
You can trust on that.
That's a good place to put it.
What did you do?
Cheap beer.
We're on a budget.
Yeah, yeah, really. Donate. We're on a budget. We're starting to get cheap beer, guys.
Where's the needle holder? The needle itself.
The new one?
The new ones.
They're in the. Again?
It's
That's
a
a
bad
second
one.
waste of beer today.
Universe provides. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna stink like beer now.
It already did.
Yeah, we soak them in gasoline to get the rubber expanding. Hold the cup.
Two girls
Yeah,
in a cup?
because
Two guys in a cup. Ah, that's nasty.
I've done that before, and
What, two men, one cup? That's right. We need to talk, man.
Actually,
gotta try
Focus,
everything.
man.
you gotta try.
Get the
everything
thing
once.
out. Enjoy the little things.
You
Shall I
gotta,
just?
you gotta try everything once.
You gotta try everything.
I'm not gonna try that.
Exceeding your expectations of us.
I think it's limitations this time.
How do we call a woman that's old and wants to fuck?
Your mother?
Yeah, a dead lady. A dead lady.
A dead lay.
Deadly. So now we're gonna blow through it a little bit.
Well,
It's closing.
it's closed. Thank you.
That one was stuck, man. Oh.
Yeah.
What I found out, there was a piece of.
Metal sticking out and couldn't go any lower.
No, it's still leaking. Oh, close it. Still leaking. That's mechanical somewhere, but
Still leaking. So what the heck
it's
is
still
this?
leaking.
Coming out of this one too.
Yeah.
This one's leaking too.
Yeah, that's because we turned it upside down.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about it. That's the.
Sorry.
Okay. It's still leaking. The gas is still coming through and overflowing through the carb. So that means we're going to check, see if the flow bowl of the float itself might not be leaking. So we've got a bowl of water. I'm going to take off the float, put it in the bowl, see what happens. So we'll keep you posted. All right. So if this ain't it, then it's just a question of adjusting.
It's floating.
Yeah, I don't see no bubbles either.
Hmm?
I don't see no bubbles either.
No, but if it floats, it floats. Yeah, it's floating.
Okay, so they're not leaking. So it's a question of adjusting them a little bit tighter so that he shuts off a lot better. Okay, last attempt of the day.
Well, most states.
It's not leaking now.
Let's see the flathead if it's full. I did bend the.
The needle?
No, the float. Let's say the valve. Not the float height, but a piece that is actually pushing against the valve. The metal lip that is pushing against the valve. It's closed now. It doesn't matter. No, it's on the workbench. A small blue one. Let's see if it fills.
Well, it's connected. You turned on the tap.
Yeah, let's see it. If it has enough free play to fill itself. Let's do it. Yeah, there's gas. Yeah.
But it's not overflowing now.
Yeah. Maybe that was it. I don't know.
Something's